One of the primary differences that you're going to find inside of industrial and tactical navigation is that tactical IMUs and industrial IMUs vary in the cost of each one. In industrial navigation, if you look at market data, you'll see that industrial sensors are going to run you anywhere from $100 to $1,000. Tactical inertial navigation system, or IMUs, can run anywhere from $5,000 to $25,000. If you look back at Inertial Sense previous industrial navigation solution, you will know that that product used to be listed around $500 per piece. And in volume, it was very difficult to achieve a price point lower than $100. Our new tactical grade IMX-5 for one single piece is strategically priced at $200 per unit. In volumes, we have found a way to reduce our prices below $100 per piece at high volume. So based upon the price point of this IMX-5, you are able to receive a tactical grade inertial measurement unit at a fraction of the cost of what a standard industrial navigation solution will cost you through some of our competitors. More recently, we received inquiries from various different customers, one of which sent us an email that stated, the comparable devices from VectorNav, Inertial Labs, Spartan, and Xsense are more than double the price for about the same performance. The client continued to ask, what am I missing and how is this possible? The fact of the matter is that the customer is not missing a single thing. This is possible because Inertial Sense has found a way to use low-cost materials and use a highly sophisticated algorithm data set to create the accuracy that the customer is looking for. This is no trick, this is no joke. If you want a tactical grade inertial navigation system or inertial measurement unit at a fraction of the cost, potentially saving you 70% on your cost of materials, you need to reach out to Inertial Sense. Inertial Sense has made a transition from providing industrial grade IMUs and inertial sensors to creating and manufacturing tactical grade IMUs and INS solutions. For the first time ever, you can receive tactical grade performance IMUs and INSs at the lowest possible market cost. If you'd like to learn more about our IMX-5 or have additional questions on the solution, you can send me an email at sales@inertialsense.com or call me at 801-477-4689. That's my direct number. I look forward to hearing from you.